Hangzhou Xinsheng Precision Machinery Company Limited is mainly business saw blades of research and development, production, and processing, sell for building materials, aluminum alloy products, metal products, precision machinery, and hardware tools. The company adopts professional R&D team, excellent cooperation team, and advanced machinery and equipment to manufacture more good quality saw blades to meet the cutting needs of customers. Our products are made of good quality materials and skilled technical operations. During the production process of the product, the quality inspection has reached the standard, and the composite requirements will flow into the market. Each of our products is an outstanding piece of art. Provide customers with exquisite cutting. The company has always been adhering to the principle of customer first, constantly improving itself and providing better service for customers. At present, we manufacture and develop tools for cutting different materials, various TCT circular saw blades, diamond saw blades for all kinds of stone, finger joint cutter, drill bits, and other cutting tools, and customize efficient products according to customers' cutting needs. Provide customers with the perfect cutting solution. Our products and services have won the trust of our customers at home and abroad. If you are interested in any of our products, please you contact us in any time. We look forward to establishing successful business relationships with new customers around the world in the near future.